Doppelganger. A person who looks just like someone else but is not related to them. I saw someone who looks exactly like you, your doppelganger. Emma saw her doppelganger in a photo, but she had never met that person before. Destinesia. Forgetting why you entered a room. I walked into the kitchen and got Destinesia. What was I here for? He always gets Destinesia when looking for his phone. Meddle. To interfere in someone else's affairs. Stop meddling in my personal life. She always meddles in her neighbor's problems. Perplex. To confuse or puzzle someone. His question perplexed the teacher. I was perplexed by the strange instructions. Chairdrobe. A chair used as a place to pile clothes. My chairdrobe is getting out of control. He never folds his clothes, they go straight to the chairdrobe. Doomscrolling. Obsessively reading bad news online. I stayed up late doomscrolling through depressing news. Stop doomscrolling and get some sleep. Gobsmacked. Completely shocked. I was gobsmacked when I won the lottery. She was gobsmacked by the surprise party. Cringe. To feel embarrassed or uncomfortable. I cringe when I remember my old haircut. She cringed at the awkward joke. Wannabe. Someone who tries hard to be like someone else. He's a wannabe rock star but has no talent. The wannabe influencer copies everything from celebrities. Sleep divorce. When couples sleep in separate rooms for better rest. After years of snoring, they had a sleep divorce. A sleep divorce saved their marriage. Delectable. Extremely delicious. The cheesecake was absolutely delectable. He prepared a delectable 5-course meal. Dillydally. To waste time or move too slowly. Stop dilly-dallying and finish your work. She dilly-dallied in front of the mirror before leaving. Guzzle. To drink something quickly and greedily. He guzzled a bottle of water after the run. Stop guzzling soda, it's unhealthy. Bicker. To argue about small, unimportant things. The kids always bicker over the TV remote. They bickered about where to eat dinner. Scowl. To frown in an angry or displeased way. He scowled at the rude customer. She scowled when she saw the mess. Sluggish. Moving slowly or lacking energy. I feel sluggish in the morning before coffee. The economy has been sluggish lately. Peckish. Slightly hungry. I'm feeling peckish, let's grab a snack. He gets peckish in the afternoon. Schmooze. To chat in a friendly way, often to gain something. He loves to schmooze with his clients. She spent the evening schmoozing with celebrities. Lollygag. To waste time or be slow in doing something. Stop lollygagging and start working. They lollygagged around the park all day. Bamboozle. To trick or deceive someone. The scammer bamboozled many people with fake offers. He tried to bamboozle me into buying a fake watch. Doodle. To draw or scribble absent-mindedly. He doodled in his notebook during the meeting. I always doodle when I'm on long phone calls. Hobnob. To socialize with important or famous people. He loves to hobnob with celebrities. She spent the evening hobnobbing at the gala.